Welcome to Level Up English, your bridge to real English. I'm Nora.
And I'm Leo. Let's go.
Leo, question. What's the most stressful part of traveling to an English-speaking country?
Easy. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Right? You're hungry, the waiter is standing there waiting, the menu makes no sense, and you just panic and point at something random.
This one, please. And then you end up with liver and onions.
Ew. Okay, that's not happening to our listeners. Today, we're doing a restaurant role-play challenge. We're going to walk through an entire restaurant experience, from walking in to paying, and you're going to learn exactly what to say at every single moment.
And here's the fun part. We're taking turns. I'll be the waiter first, Nora orders. Then we switch, and the listeners decide in the comments who ordered like a bigger pro.
Oh, you're going down. My ordering skills are elite.
We'll see. All right, scene one. You just walked into the restaurant. I'm the host at the front. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, welcome in. How many?
Okay, how many means how many people. You just say the number. Just 2. Or if you're alone, just 1. Super simple.
And notice the host might also say table for how many, or how many in your party. Party here doesn't mean a celebration. It just means your group.
Don't show up with balloons. Party at a restaurant just means how big is your group. So, 2 please. And then they might say,
Right this way. That means follow me.
right this way. You don't need to say anything back. Just smile and follow. Easy win.
Okay, you're seated. I'm your waiter now. Here we go. Hey, how are you folks doing tonight? Can I start you off with some drinks?
Okay, can I start you off with drinks? That's how waiters ask about drinks first. And here's the key phrase. I'll have a. That's the most natural way to order anything. I'll have a Coke. I'll have water. I'll have an iced tea.
I'll have a. Say it with me. I'll have a. Now add your favorite drink. Go.
You might also hear people say, could I get a water? Same thing, just a touch more polite. But I'll have is your go-to. It works everywhere.
So my answer? I'll have an iced tea, please. Done. Confident? Pro. Nice. Okay, drinks are in. Now I come back. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
This is important because sometimes you're not ready, and that's totally fine. Just say, could we get a few more minutes? That's it. No stress.
A few more minutes is the magic phrase. Nobody will rush you. Take your time.
But if you are ready, here's where the fun starts. How do you actually order your food?
What can I get for you?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Same phrase. I'll have the plus whatever you want from the menu.
Or I'll go with the pasta. I'll go with is another supernatural way to order. I'll go with the salad. I'll go with the burger. It sounds like you just made a confident decision.
I'll go with, oh, I love that one. It's got that energy of like, I know what I want. Boom. Done.
And what if you have no idea what to order? Best phrase ever?
What do you recommend?
Yes. What do you recommend? The waiter tells you their favorite, and you look like a confident person who trusts the experts.
I do this all the time. What do you recommend? And then whatever they say, oh, that sounds great. I'll go with that.
That sounds great. Write that one down. You can use it for anything. Someone suggests a plan? That sounds great. Someone recommends a movie? That sounds great. It's an all-purpose agreement phrase.
Okay, now here's a moment that makes a lot of people nervous. What if you need to check something on the menu before you order?
Great one. So, does this have nuts in it? Super direct, super clear. You're asking about a specific ingredient.
Or is this gluten-free? Is this dairy-free? Is this spicy? You just take the thing you're worried about and ask. The waiter will know instantly.
And if it is an allergy, you can keep it simple. I can't have shellfish, or I don't eat dairy. One sentence, the waiter will help you find something else.
The key is ask before you order, not after the food arrives. Does this have is your best friend. Use it without shame. And here's the thing. You probably know all of these phrases already. I'll have, could I get, I'm allergic to. None of this is new vocabulary. But when the waiter is standing there with a notepad and there's pressure and people are waiting, you blank. The words you study disappear and you go back to pointing at the menu.
And that's not about knowing more English. It's about practicing the English you already know under pressure. That moment when someone's looking at you waiting for an answer, that's a skill you have to train, not just study.
That's exactly why From Stuck to Fluent works the way it does. 30 days of real situation speaking practice, where you train those pressure moments. So when the waiter says, "What can I get for you?" the words come out smooth, not shaky.
QR codes on screen or grab the link in the pinned comment. The exclusive bonuses go away at some point, so don't sleep on it.
All right, food is ordered. But wait, the waiter might ask you follow-up questions. Leo, hit me with some.
How would you like your steak? This means how cooked. You've got options. Rare is very pink inside. Medium is a little pink, and well done is fully cooked, no pink.
I always say medium, please. Quick, easy, done. But some people also say medium rare. That's between rare and medium. If you like a little pink, but not too much, that's your answer.
And here's a tip. You don't need to overthink it. Just pick one and say it with confidence. Medium, please. Done. The waiter is not going to quiz you on steak science.
Ha, steak science. But it's true. Confidence matters more than perfection here.
Next one, for here or to go. Eating at the restaurant or taking it with you. For here means you're staying. To go means you want it packed up.
This one's more common at casual places and fast food, but you'll hear it everywhere. For here, please, or to go, please. 2 words and you're done.
Would you like anything else? The waiter checking if you want more food. If you're good? No, I think we're good. Thank you.
I think we're good. So natural. It means we have everything we need. Use it everywhere, not just restaurants. Someone asks if you need help at a store? I think I'm good, thanks. Works perfectly.
And one more. The waiter might say, "Can I get you some dessert?" And if you're too full, "I'm good, thanks." Or just the check, please. Both totally polite ways to say no. All right, time to switch. I'm the customer now. Nora, you're the waiter. Let's see what you've got.
Oh, I was born for this. Welcome in. How are we doing tonight?
See? How are we doing tonight? Waiters love using we. It's warm and friendly.
What can I get started for you?
I'll have a water to start and, what do you recommend?
Great question. But here's a real moment. What if the waiter recommends something and you don't want it?
Ooh, good one. You just say, that sounds good, but I think I'll go with the steak instead. Easy. You acknowledge their suggestion and made your choice.
I think I'll go with instead. That's so smooth. Not rude at all. You just redirected.
And here's another real situation. Your food arrives and it's wrong. Maybe they brought you the wrong dish. What do you say?
Excuse me, I think there's been a mix-up. I ordered the chicken, not the fish.
There's been a mix-up. Polite, not aggressive, gets the job done. The waiter will fix it immediately.
Or even simpler. Sorry, this isn't what I ordered. Totally fine. You're not being rude, you're just letting them know.
And what if the food is right, but you want to change something? Like you want extra sauce or no onions?
Could I get some extra sauce on the side? Or is it possible to have this without onions? Super polite. On the side means in a separate little container. Very useful.
On the side. Great phrase. Dressing on the side. Sauce on the side. You hear it all the time. And then, the grand finale of any restaurant experience.
The check.
Could we get the check, please? Or could I get the bill? Both mean the same thing. Check is more American. Bill is more British. Either works anywhere.
And if you want to take your leftovers home, could I get a box for this? Or can I get this to go? They'll bring you a container.
And when you're paying, if you're paying with card, I'll pay by card. Cash, I'll pay cash. Done.
And one last pro move. When you leave, just say, "Thank you, everything was great." The waiter will love you forever.
Everything was great. Short, sweet, and you leave like a pro.
Okay, speed review. We're gonna do the whole restaurant in fast forward. Ready?
Walking in. Just 2, please.
Drinks. I'll have a Coke. Or could I get a water?
Ordering.
I'll go with the pasta, or I'll have the chicken.
Not sure. What do you recommend?
Checking ingredients. Does this have nuts in it?
Wrong order. Sorry, this isn't what I ordered.
Paying. Could we get the check, please?
Leaving. Thank you. Everything was great.
Boom. That's the full restaurant experience, from door to done.
Okay, comment challenge time. We want to hear from you.
Imagine you're at a restaurant right now. Order your dream meal in the comments using phrases from today. Start with I'll have or I'll go with and tell us what you're getting.
Be specific. I'll have the steak, medium, with fries and a Coke. We want to see the full order. We read every single comment.
Everyone. And if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe. Hit that bell. New episodes every week, and they keep getting better.
Smash that like button. It really helps us out. And share this with a friend who panics at restaurants.
We all know someone who just points at the menu.
Not anymore. Not after this episode.
All right, you crushed it today. Next time you're at a restaurant, order with confidence. You've got this.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep leveling up.